Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 0.96-inch OLED module. We will introduce how to use Arduino to control it. Let's first look at the circuit connection. This OLED module communicates with Arduino through I2C. The pins SCL and SDA are connected to the SCL and SDA of Arduino respectively. Next, we explain the code. First, add an OLED display library. It can be downloaded from the Library Manager of Arduino IDE. After downloading, open the header file Adafruit ssd1306.h in the library file. The resolution of the OLED module we use is 128x64, so comment out the line all the way to specify 128x32 screen, and use the 128x64 screen, then click Save. Define the pin 13 as the OLED reset pin. Enter the initialization function. Initialize the communication address of the OLED screen to 0x3C. Clear out the OLED display. Set the OLED display font color to white. Set to finish updating the display. Then enter the main loop function. Set the OLED display font to font 2. Set the display location of the OLED. Set the display content of the OLED. Setup is complete. Update the display. Clear our OLED display content. Now upload the program. You can see the display content. You can also modify it to change the content displayed on OLED. And this is pretty much it of this time. See you!